fine vitamin. Vitamin D is considered essential to good health, and researchers have been focusing on the consequences of vitamin D deficiency. They have found an alarming number of health issues like osteoporosis, certain cancers, cardiovascular disease, autoimmune diseases, and inflammatory bowel diseases. And most of us are not getting enough vitamin D, if we're honest, which is why doctors suggest taking a supplement anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 micrograms per day. Mercy Medical Center's Dr. Timothy Doyle says a recent study found vitamin D may have even more benefits than previously known.
Adequate levels of vitamin D can reduce your risk for diabetes. They found that vitamin D supplementation basically made insulin work better. And if insulin works better, blood sugar goes down and your risk of diabetes goes down.
So we want here, the benefits from vitamin D can be made internally when your skin is exposed to ultraviolet radiation from the sun. So being outside definitely helps, at least especially in the summertime. I'm not sure about right now so much, but you can also get vitamin D from your diet, like fortified foods, animal foods.